Reliable coding of products and packaging plays an important role in industry. It has to be extremely resistant to potential error sources, and it has to keep up with the immense speed of modern production lines. That's the prerequisite for long-term cost effectiveness. In the last few years, Domino has constantly redefined performance in laser technology. Domino laser labeling systems offer the technically most advanced full-service solutions. 2D data matrix codes, barcodes, multi-line text and graphics. Abrasion-resistant, long-lasting and rich in contrast on practically any substrate. Industry cannot allow to make any compromises in terms of speed. Domino systems can assure you that the precision of the labeling can keep up with the speed of production. Depending on the substrate, they can code up to 2,000 characters per second. They therefore code far more objects at the same time with far more information and achieve labeling that's high in contrast with a resolution that is up to 10 times better than that of other lasers. No matter if it's made of plastic, glass, paper or metal, every product that leaves your factory will have a permanently legible code. This is ensured by maximal error-free scans. You can reliably trace any production lot. The time schedules in industry are just as tight as the production rooms. With their small dimensions and a flexible scan head, Domino's laser can be used almost anywhere, even in very small spaces. Domino lasers have a lifespan of up to 100,000 hours, and in contrast to other labeling systems, do not require repeated maintenance or regular hardware replacement. Thanks to short downtimes, as well as vanishing logistics, this leads to an effective usage of available machine run time, which results in optimized overall energy efficiency. With their high productivity, laser labeling systems from Domino are service providers for modern industry. As fast as your production, as precise as your engineering work, and as reliable as your customers expect of you. Domino, do more.